My name's Dawn Shannon, owner of Intuition Salon and Spa. Now I'm going to demonstrate color application when you're doing highlights. In this particular instance, we're going to apply the highlights and then we're going to go and we're going to apply the all over color. We have a hair decolorizer and we're also going to use a high lift blonde color. We're going to first start with applying it around the face in order to help soften. She wants a really blonde look, but we don't necessarily want to overly lighten her whole head just yet because we want to protect the hair. First thing you want to make sure is that you have the client's head correctly positioned when you're putting in the highlights, because it actually, when you have the right angle, it makes it to where you can get the color on there better, thus making it to where you have a better color application and your results at the end will come out much better. Now keep in mind her hair part's this direction, so I'm going to highlight it going that direction so the color will flow with the way she wears her hair. When you apply the color, you really want to make sure that the color is lightly on the brush, very gently, not too thick because you don't want to worry about whether the color is going to bleed. Work it down to the ends, make sure they're totally covered from top to bottom. Wrap the foil. When wrapping the foil, you want to hold it very lightly, not heavy, so that the color doesn't move around. That's really important.